Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can download and install latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up any browser that is installed in our computer. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up, and then in the address bar we will enter the website address as code.visualstudio.com, and after that hit the enter button. It will open up the Visual Studio Code official website, and here we can straight away see the download option for Windows. That's because I'm browsing this website from the Windows operating system. This website automatically detects that and it displays the appropriate download option. Now, if you want to download VS Code for any other platforms, or if you want to have more download options, then you can click on this other platforms. You will get more download options. Here we will straight away click on this download for Windows. Now it will take us to this page and the download will begin automatically. We will wait for the download to finish. Okay, now the download is complete. If I take the cursor on this downloaded file, then I can see this download icon. If I click on that, it will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved, generally in the downloads folder, and you guys can see the file here. In order to install Visual Studio Code, we just have to double click on this file, and here I will accept the license agreement and then click on next, and here it will display the path where Visual Studio Code will be installed. If you want, you can make a note of that, and then we will click on this next and then next, and here we will select some options. I want a desktop icon, so I will check this. And then I want to have the open with code option whenever we right click on a file or a folder, and that's why I will check these two options. And after that, register VS Code as the editor for supported files. We will check that, and also add to path, we will check that. So after that we will click on next and we will click on this install. Now it will install Visual Studio Code. We just have to wait for this process to finish. Okay, now the installation is complete. We can click on this finish. It will automatically open up the Visual Studio Code. At the same time, I will close all the folders and the browser. Now here the Visual Studio Code has been opened, and here you can select the theme that you want to use. For example, I will go with the dark modern, and then I'm gonna take my cursor here and then I will scroll down. And then I will click on this mark done. Here you can find some options to customize the settings, which you can do later if you want. Here I will click on this mark done, and now Visual Studio Code is ready to use. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.